Vintage Jaguars like this classy 1974 E-Type are the perfect combination of old-world luxury and universal appeal. Quick, opulent, and stylish, they're the first choice of many classic car collectors who like to both show and drive their mettle. Restored and ready to roll, this rock-solid Jag is about as close to driving a brand new 45-year-old luxury car as you can get. Few automotive brands can match Jaguar when it comes to consistency in design. From the E-Type forward, long wheelbase platforms with elongated noses and short rear overhangs became the company's signature look. This drop top stays true to that formula, with sleek body lines that recently benefited from a ground-up restoration. And all of the car's panels are remarkably straight and free of any notable flaws. Behind the doors, a classy interior has been carefully restored. Tall bucket seats are wrapped in fine leather covering that provides welcoming comfort. Between those seats, a color-keyed console positions a gear selector behind aftermarket Alpine audio. A factory-spec dash balances an array of Smith's gauges around factory air conditioning, and the driver spins a speed-drilled steering wheel. Hoist the forward-tilting hood and you'll find 5.3 liters of Jaguar V12 that's as clean as it is classy. Behind that 12, a factory 4-speed transfers torque to a highway-friendly rear end, and that drivetrain rides a unique independent suspension. This E-Type is a substantial classic that's ready to conquer the road. Looking for a great cruiser that's a genuine iron fist in a silk glove? You simply can't go wrong with this slick Jaguar. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.